How to convert an image to PDF file in Google Drive. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can convert an image to a PDF file using Google Drive. To do so, first of all, open any web browser of your choice on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once in the browser, in the search bar, type in drive.google.com. Once you have entered this keyword, press on the enter button to search for it. Now within a while, you will be taken to the Google Drives of your account. Here ensure that you are logged into your Google account. And once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here you will need to click on the new button at the top left, or you may also right click anywhere on this Drive page, and then you'll be able to see this menu. From here, you will need to select File Upload, and once after selecting it, you will need to select the image from your computer. Once you have selected it, click on this Open button, and then it will be uploaded in your Drive. Now wait until it gets uploaded on your Drive. And once it is uploaded, now you will need to simply right-click on the uploaded image and then choose Open With. Once you choose this Open With option, you will be able to see a new menu. From here, you will need to click on Google Docs. Simply click on it, and now you will be taken to your Google Docs page. Once you reach your Google Docs, here in this interface at the top right, you'll be able to locate different options. Simply click on this File option. Once you click on it, now select the Download option. Soon after selecting the Download option, you will be able to see this pop-up with different formats. From here, you will need to click on this PDF document. Simply click on it, and now you will be able to save the image as a PDF. It will start downloading, and once it is completed, simply click on it, and then you will see you have successfully converted an image to a PDF file using Google Drive. So by following these steps, you should be able to convert an image to a PDF file using Google Drive. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.